That sharp, nagging ache at the base of your spine does not care about your schedule or your bank account. It just stays there. It throbs while you work. It stings when you sit down for dinner. You want a fix, and you want it fast. This is exactly where the marketing for the Triple Fusion Massager hits home. You have probably seen the ads. They show a sleek device that promises to erase years of agony in just 15 minutes. It sounds like a dream for anyone who has spent nights tossing and turning. The device uses three different methods at the same time. It uses heat. It uses vibration. It uses spinal stretching. On the surface, this approach makes a lot of sense. Heat helps your blood flow. Vibration can distract your nerves from pain signals. Stretching creates a bit of space between those compressed vertebrae. When you put them all together, it feels like a high-tech spa treatment for your lower back, right in your living room. But we need to look closer at what is actually being promised to the public. The official claim suggests this can help with things like sciatica and even spinal disc issues. That is a very big claim for a home gadget. Most medical professionals will tell you something different. They say that while these features offer temporary comfort, they are not a permanent cure. There is very little independent clinical evidence to show that a vibrating plastic arch can fix a structural spine problem. It is a tool for management, not a medical procedure. If you go into the purchase expecting a total transformation of your physical health, you might be setting yourself up for frustration. Is it a scam? It does not seem to be a total fake. You will likely get a working product in the mail. It will get warm. It will buzz. The issue is the gap between the marketing hype and the physical reality. Many people find that the stretching is too intense for their specific injury. Others might find the heat is not quite enough to reach deep muscle tissue. You also have to consider the cost. These devices often come with a premium price tag because of the fancy branding and aggressive social media ads. You can often find similar lumbar supports for much less if you look around. Before you hand over your credit card, do your homework. Read reviews that are not posted on the company's own page. Look for feedback from people with your specific type of pain. Most importantly, talk to a healthcare professional. Using a stretching device on a bad injury can sometimes make things much worse. You want to be sure you are helping your body rather than straining it further. Check the warranty and the return policy very carefully. These companies often have very strict rules about returns once the box is open. It is a real product, but it is not a magic wand. The world of online wellness gadgets is full of these quick fixes. They target our desire for a life without pain. It is easy to get swept up in the hope of a simple daily routine. But true recovery usually takes more than just lying on a plastic arch. Be a smart consumer. Treat this as a supplement to your recovery, not the whole solution. Stay curious and keep your expectations grounded. Your health is worth the extra research.